Hey guys, you can actually go to your Satoshi app right now and go and link your wallet address, your OEX wallet address, and prepare for the withdrawal dates in which you are going to withdraw to the wallet address. But if you fail to do so starting from today till the end of 27th of this month, consider your coin lost because you will not be able to have access to the coin you have mined again. You have been given an interval of 7 days to do so, starting from the 13th of this month to 27th of this month. I'm going to show you the wallet address you are going to use for this and how you can do it. If you are here on MetaMask for the first time, this is what you are going to see on your screen. You are going to see Ethereum main network like this. This is what you're actually going to see. Exactly what you are going to see like this. So how will you be able to add the core network into your MetaMask? First of all, what you need to do is to click on where you see browser here, the browser symbol here. Once you click on the browser symbol, it's going to take you to where you are going to carry out everything. So once you are here, you need to click on search here. So once you are here, you need to type in what you are seeing here below this scan dot called dao.org here. I have already typed in this thing. That's why you are seeing it on top. So what you need to do is, after typing the address, what you need to do is to click on it. Once you are on this interface, this is what you are going to see below. Come down, just keep coming down. You can see where it's saying add core network. You click on the add core network. You can see it's showing successfully. I have already added it. That is why it's showing success. So what, in your own terms, there is something that will pop up and you need to follow it step by step. It's not a big deal. Just a click and you will be done. Okay, after adding the core network, you come back to home, click on wallet here. Okay, once you click on wallet, you make sure that this place is on core. So once this place is on core, you now click on import token. Once you click on import token, this is what you have. This is the interface you will see: token address, token symbol, and token decimal. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number on the video description, so you guys contact me for the contract address. I'm going to drop the contract address for you guys, so just contact me to get the contract address. So once you have the contract address, you are going to paste on here. You are seeing token address and everything will just automatically appear. You see the name of the coin and everything. Then after doing that, you click on import. Automatically the airdrop will be imported to under core network. It will be like this. Once you click on it, it's going to pop up like this. You can see everything is 0. You click on receive. Once you click on receive, this will pop up where you click on copy here. You are actually going to click on copy. You copy the wallet address and you move to your Satoshi. Let me take you through. Okay, once you log into your Satoshi app, what you need to do is to click on wallet here. This place you are seeing wallet here, click on it. It's going to appear like this. You see, you come down to your OEX, tap on it. You are going to see where a place that is link your withdraw address. You click on the withdraw address. You put your withdraw address here. You now insert your, then after that you click on link address. They will send a code to your email, and you go to your email, copy that code and come and paste on the space provided. After clicking on that, you click on submit. You are going to take you to facial verification, where you are going to verify your face. Okay, you guys know how to do that. After that, you are going to click on submit and everything will successfully bind. Okay, so that is just little about it. Okay, it's not it's not hard, it's very very simple. You can do this. So if you like updates like this, do well to subscribe, like and share my video, and also smash the notification button